Up in the air. All right. Hold that tight.
Go inside.
Whoa! Wow, best one yet.
Yay!
Uh-oh. It really is up there, huh?
Yeah, go there. Then how did you get up there?
You read that, Papa?
Got it. I got it zoomed.
Got it.
Dad, how did you get up there?
I got up there, I jumped from where you are.
No, you didn't.
Ready? Go off the sides this time?
Dad, how did you get up there?
Ooh, lots of bees in here.
Dad,
I don't want you to know because I don't want you to ever think that it's a good idea to try it.